Welcome, XRP fans. Let's dive into some content. Let's check out a post from the Digital Euro Association highlighting Ripple's global takeover all 7 continents. Also, we're going to check out a clip from the Black Swan Capitalists. They're going to speculate on BlackRock and how XRP is different from other crypto assets. Plus, JP Morgan announces they will use XRP for credit card and mortgage payments. That is huge news. Plus, one of Ripple's partners is also partnering with JP Morgan, but it might not be what people think. We're going to look into that and speculate. So if you're an XRP fan, you come to the right place. Please hit the like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. Quick quote: if you are distressed by anything external, the pain is not due to the thing itself, but to your opinion of it. And this you have the power to revoke at any moment. Marcus Aurelius. Get this, according to the FBI, there's a noticeable increase in attacks targeting your phone. This can be alarming, especially if you store cryptocurrency on your phone. Last year alone, for example, SIM swapping hacks increased almost 6 times from the previous year, and it's only expected to increase. When it comes to taking your data and your wealth seriously, Efani's mobile phone service is second to none. It's like turning your mobile device into Fort Knox. Nobody's getting in. They offer 100% guaranteed security against SIM swapping, fake towers, eavesdropping, location tracking, spam calls, spam text, and malware. As if 100% guaranteed security isn't enough, if by some impossible chance your phone does get compromised, Efani offers you a $5 million insurance policy to cover you as part of this service. All this premium service for only a little more than you're paying each month for your phone service anyway. There's a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you have nothing to lose. Right now, you can receive $99 off the service through this channel. Token Topics is your promo code to receive that $100 off. I'm going to go ahead and put the affiliate link in the description for you, and simply scroll down to the bottom. You pick whatever plan that you would like. And as you can see here, it automatically fills the promo code in. Now, if you don't use the affiliate link, just type in Token Topics to make sure you get that $100 off. Larry Fink from BlackRock states crypto will replace international currencies.
I believe a lot of crypto is going to be, it's an international asset. It has a differentiating value versus other asset classes, but more importantly, because it's so international, it's going to transcend any one currency and currency valuation. If you just look at the value of our dollar, how it depreciated the last 2 months and how much it appreciated over the last 5 years, I mean, an international crypto product can really transcend that. And that's why we believe there's great opportunities, and that's why we're seeing more and more interest. And that interest is broad-based worldwide.
Let's check out this clip from the Black Swan Capitalist. They state BlackRock plans to seize control of all your assets through blockchain and tokenization. Let's dive into this speculation. So they think the real risk lies with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana, since these cryptos have been co-opted and dominated by financial institutions and labeled as SIFIs, which are systematically important financial institutions, setting the stage for the transfer and confiscation of your digital assets and smart contracts, a strategic move that will redefine the future of centralized finance, not decentralized. And that's why the 1% are targeting XRP. Because unlike its counterparts, XRP is one of the few digital assets that is sovereign and resists institutional control, offering a more promising and truly decentralized financial ecosystem where the 1% can wield their influence.
Really hungry, and this is BlackRock's game. They are really, really hungry. And Larry Fink is, while you'll say, I'm pro Bitcoin, what he's actually pro is the blockchain and tokenization so that you can transcend national boundaries. And everyone goes, that's good. I don't like national government. No, you're going up to a worldwide system, which actually is a worldwide government, where anywhere in the world, BlackRock can see who owns that house. And it has, as I say, a letting agreement preloaded, a bundle of documents, an automatic conveyancing system preloaded, and they get to proliferate the tokens so that they can buy everything out and turn everyone into a rentier society. This is extremely very much how they're going, and that ties into the you will own nothing and be happy. Hey, it's not on you.
Some wonderful news for XRP fans. This was announced several days ago. This is the actual PDF document. So JP Morgan Chase, they announced that they're going to be accepting XRP for credit card and mortgage payments. So this integration aims to enhance payment efficiency, reduce costs, and offer greater flexibility for consumers that discover how linking XRP wallets to JP Morgan, it'll allow for fast, low-cost transactions, which is positioning JP Morgan at the forefront of digital currency adoption in banking. Here's an illustration where you can see the cross-border payment flow via correspondent banking. If we scroll down a little further to page 8 on this document, you can see right here, Ripple, I'll highlight it, for cross-border payment infrastructure, intended to use cryptocurrency XRP as a settlement instrument. That's pretty exciting coming from this document. Here's a recent article that just came out today around JP Morgan and one of Ripple's partners. Now, some people might be confused. They're not talking about leveraging XRP. They're talking about NEM, one of Ripple's partners, leveraging JP Morgan's payment system. But could there be an XRP integration in the works? That is something that could be on the table. JP Morgan disclosed that NEM made a breakthrough in its global expansion following a strategic partnership that made its real-time solution available for use. NEM operates in more than 220 countries, and its cards are issued in more than 30 countries globally. We're going to watch a video to get a better understanding of what NEM is and what they're actually doing. Now, some might say they're talking about RippleNet. There's different options other than XRP. Not with blockchain, not with the XRP ledger. If they're using RippleNet and they're using blockchain, that's the XRP ledger. So NEM is forging new partnerships to open doors in Southeast Asia. This is an older article from Ripple, but it's just showing us the goals, the solutions that they're leveraging right here. Right here, it says NEM began leveraging Ripple's advanced blockchain technology to process transactions in real time. Get a better understanding of NEM.
Today is Prajit Nanu. He is co-founder and CEO at NEM. Prajit, it is wonderful to have you here. Thanks for joining me today.
Thanks for having me, Judy.
My pleasure. So now, let's start off by talking about the company. What do you do?
I'm co-founder CEO of NEM. NEM is a global account-to-account, real-time money movement infrastructure. So imagine taxi drivers being paid, hosts being paid, freelancers, contractors, everyone being paid on a cross-border level. We are the core engine which drives those kind of payments.
Okay. So now, given the challenges in the broad fintech environment, how are you positioning NEM to be successful?
Yeah, I think a lot of fintech is all going to be about scale. Like who gets to how many markets can you process money into? And those are some things which we stand out. We are licensed and regulated in about 40 plus markets. We can move money into 200 plus markets. We can access 45 different payment systems across the globe, etc. And that's really the infrastructure we've created, which really differentiates us. So it's all about scale and execution, and that's what we look at, and that's what we feel very confident about how we are much better versus our peers, scaling extremely fast. We grew about 2.6 times last year. We'll grow about 70-80% of growth this year. We're looking over 100 million of revenue run rate right now.
Okay, so real-time payments. There's a broader move to real-time payments that we're seeing. So what are you doing to capitalize on that?
Yeah, I think if you think about real-time payments, like US suddenly got Fed now, right? Like UK had faster payments, Singapore has fast, India has UPI for years. So now what we're seeing is there's a massive adoption of real-time payments. Imagine if you could click a button and the money is in your account immediately. That doesn't work today. In some countries, you can actually get onto a plane, take cash, reach their place and give that person cash, and that's been a faster way of moving money than actually sending a bank-to-bank payment. And that's what we are solving. So a lot of countries are actually joining the bandwagon. Some of the regulatory work which is being done in Brazil with PIX, India with UPI is phenomenal. It is going to be a very exciting time in real-time payments, and they'll actually drive costs down lower as well. Because what we've seen is real-time payments that drive down costs significantly.
All right, now you are one of the few companies that we are seeing growth from in this market. Tell me, where are you expanding?
Latin America is a huge market for us. We have a slightly large war chest to go and buy, we're very acquisitive. We're looking at acquisition targets there. So we are either going to do a build versus buy in Latin America, Brazil, Mexico, Argentina, Peru. These are really large markets for us, and we're looking to kind of establish a base and scale out there.
And what are the opportunities in these markets?
Real-time payments again, like if you look at what PIX has done in that market, is you can actually send money if you're doing trade, if you're buying something straight, and it's instant. It doesn't cost you too much of money, and the retailer or the merchant gets the money instantly as well. So we see a significant amount of benefits to the ecosystem. Somebody who couldn't access the money for 3 to 4 days now get the money instantly into the bank account. That's all going to drive economy, and we strongly believe after having done well in Europe and Asia, Latin America is a big focus area for us.
Ripple is a global monster, reaching all throughout the world, all 7 continents. This is from the DEA, the Digital Euro Association. Ripple is rapidly expanding its international footprint through global partnerships and focusing on increasing the use of the XRP ledger. Ripple is seeing major advancements in South American market, particularly with the release of the central bank digital currency platform. Last year, Ripple launched its CBDC platform, making it easy for central banks worldwide to quickly launch their CBDC, where Ripple does all the infrastructure heavy lifting. As a result, the Bank of Colombia has been testing its CBDC on the Ripple platform. Furthermore, Ripple has joined hands with Brazil's National Federation of Association of Central Bank Servers, which seeks to boost the country's financial sector through advancements in tokenization payments and treasury management. Blockchain startup Ripple has been making every possible effort lately to promote the adoption of the XRP ledger and use of XRP in global financial markets. Tokenizer, an enterprise blockchain researcher, recently stated that despite Ripple's ongoing legal battle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, the company has been swiftly expanding its global partnerships and services in different regions outside the United States. As reported by Crypto News Flash, Ripple has signed 1,700 agreements with global financial players to boost XRP use. Although America-based firms have been hesitant to partner with Ripple amid legal considerations, companies overseas have been quite flexible in adopting the Ripple technology. The XRP ledger facilitates instant cross-border settlements by using Ripple's native XRP crypto for settlements. As per a CNF report, Ripple is further expanding the use of XRP by working on stablecoin integration backed by gold and silver, moving beyond the boundaries of fiat settlement on XRP ledger. Ripple eyes big opportunities in South America and Europe. Ripple is seeing major advancements in South America market, particularly the release of a central bank digital currency platform. Last year, Ripple launched its CBDC platform, making it easy for central banks worldwide to quickly launch their CBDC, while Ripple does all the infrastructure heavy lifting. As a result, the Bank of Colombia has been testing its CBDC on a platform. Europe is another region where Ripple's influence is growing gradually. Earlier this year, Ripple partnered with Clear Junction to facilitate instant cross-border settlements between the UK and European Union per CNF report. This partnership, regulated by Financial Conduct Authority, positions Ripple as a compliant and trustworthy European partner. On the other hand, the Central Bank of Montenegro is also testing its CBDC on the Ripple platform, while Germany's DZ Bank integrated with Medico, Ripple's acquired digital asset custody firm, expanding into Asia and Middle East for XRP use. So Ripple has always maintained a stronghold in the Asian and Middle East markets. Working with partners such as SBI Holdings since 2016, this collaboration has led to key advancements for blockchain startups such as the use of XRP for cross-border remittances across Vietnam, Philippines, and Indonesia. These countries are currently the fastest growing remittance markets globally. Furthermore, Ripple also secured MPI license from the Monetary Authority of Singapore, which also expanded service in the region. Ripple has also expanded its presence in the Middle East through its strong connections in Dubai. The company's partnership with Dubai International Financial Center aims to advance blockchain adoption in the United Arab Emirates. Now, if you're serious about purchasing a hardware wallet, in the description are links for an amazing discount.